Okay guys, hello, welcome to my vlog. Now we have challenge, no reaction challenge with the fresh lime. Okay, so meet our friends here, Nana, Bon, and Rose. Okay guys, if anyone must eat without reaction. So if we see someone got reaction, must poke. Okay, so let's start for you. Okay. Deep. Yeah. Okay. Not just cheers. This one. Okay, guys. For the second time. Ay, tama rin. Yeah. It. Finish. Ay, mahal. Ano yan? Guys, no more. Okay, for the last final round. I hope I can. Nice. Really good this one, guys. Our dipping salt made by Nang Nang. This one too nice. Oh, very nice. Spicy, salt, and some spices. Nice. Very good. Actually, I don't want to eat lime, but this one good. It's fun. Okay, for the final round. One, two, three. Okay guys, thank you. Thank you for watching.